Why is crypto down today? August 26, 2025. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Ethereum, market. With macro pressure building and volatility spiking, markets are resetting fast, and the path ahead could be bumpier than many were positioned for, said Sean Dawson, head of research at onchain options platform Derive.xyz. Journalist, Fadilpašić. Journalist, Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry, where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. The crypto market is down today again. 98 of the top 100 coins turning red over the past 24 hours. Overall, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 2.4%, now standing at $3.87 trillion, moving away from the $4 trillion mark. At the same time, the total crypto trading volume is at $199 billion. TLDR. About 5 of the top 100 coins are up today, the rest have dropped. 3 the top 100 coins are up today, the rest have dropped. All top 10 coins remain in the red. BTC and ETH saw drops of 2% and 5, trading at to $109,971 and $4,414, respectively. It's been a bloody start to the week for the majors. Chances of BTC falling to $100,000 and ETH to $4,000 are rising. Both US BTC and ETH ETFs saw outflows on Monday. With macro pressure building and volatility spiking, markets are resetting fast. Peter Schiff advised BTC holders to sell now and buy back later. Fear has moved into the markets. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, all top 10 coins per market capitalization have decreased over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin, BTC, fell another 2% and below $110,000, now standing at $109,971. At the same time, Ethereum, ETH, is down by 5%, now trading at $4,414. The biggest drop was recorded by Solana SOL, followed by Dogecoin, Doge. They're down 7.5% and 6%, now trading at $187.85 and $0.2097, respectively. The smallest fall in this category is BNB's 1.2%, now changing hands at $862. As for the top 100 coins, 3 coins appreciated, but only one above 1%. Kronos CRO is up 1.9% to the price of $0.1598. The others are up below 0.5% each, meaning that they are practically unchanged. On the other hand, Chainlink Link dropped the most, 9.8% to $23.08. It's followed by OKB, which fell 8.4%, now trading at $172. Meanwhile, economist and Bitcoin critic Peter Schiff argued that BTC would slip to about $75,000, maybe more. He advised BTC holders to sell now and buy back later. He wrote that, given all the hype and corporate buying, this weakness should be cause for concern. According to Schiff's prediction, Bitcoin could plunge to the level last seen on April 2025. At a minimum, a decline to about $75,000 is in play, just below $MSDR's average cost. The path ahead could be bumpier than expected. Sean Dawson, head of research at onchain options platform Derive.xyz, commented that chances of BTC falling to $100,000 by end of September increased from 20% to 35%, while the chances for ETH retesting $4,000 in the same period surpassed 55%. He stated that, with macro pressure building and volatility spiking, markets are resetting fast, and the path ahead could be bumpier than many were positioned for. Notably, it's been a bloody start to the week for the majors, said Dawson. There was over $900 million in liquidations across the market, with ETH and BTC seeing the most of that amount, $324 million and $209 million, respectively. Also, nearly all were long positions forced underwater after a broad-based correction. This sharp move appears to be the result of over-leveraged positioning, particularly following ETH's recent run-up, and an overnight dip in the S&P 500, which weighed on risk assets more broadly, Dawson writes. Subsequently, short-dated volatility has surged. Daily BTC volatility jumped from 15% to 38%, and ETH volatility went from 41% to 70%. These moves reflect rising trader anxiety ahead of key macroeconomic catalysts, notably U.S. GDP figures due to be released August 28 and the unemployment rate to be released early September, Dawson says. Finally, there was also a shift in sentiment. As an example, Dawson gave the 25 delta skew turning negative for BTC and ETH, showing a preference for puts over calls. This is the strongest demand for downside protection we've seen in 2 weeks. Traders appear to be bracing for potential retests of $4,000 for ETH and $100,000 for BTC, he concluded. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Tuesday morning, BTC trades at $109,971. The coin saw another sharp plunge for the second day in a row. It went down from $112,815 to $109,214. It's now 11.4% away from its all-time high of $124,128. Moreover, it's possible that the price will continue to move towards the $105,000 level. Ethereum is currently trading at $4,414. It too recorded a sharp decline today, from the intraday high of $4,667 to the low of $4,342, before recovering very slightly. Much like the general market, ETH still has room to drop further, at least for now. We're now looking at a possibility of $4,300 and lower. Moreover, the crypto market sentiment decreased further, barely staying within the neutral zone. The crypto fear and greed index fell from 50 yesterday to 43 today. This is the lowest point it's been since late June. The current level signals increasing fear moving into the market, as well as an increase in bearish sentiment. Meanwhile, as of August 25, the US BTC spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, broke the latest streak of outflows, with positive flows of $219 million. 6 funds saw flows and all of them inflows. Fidelity is at the top with $65.56 million. It's followed by BlackRock and ARK and 21 shares, with $63.38 million and $61.21 million, respectively. On the other hand, the US ETH ETFs saw more inflows on Mondays of $443.91 million. 7 of the 9 funds saw flows, 6 inflows and 1 outflow. Grayscale removed $29.17 million, while BlackRock added $314.89 million. Meanwhile, Pantera Capital is preparing to raise $1.25 billion to transform a Nasdaq-listed company into Solana Company, a public vehicle built to accumulate Solana, SOL, as a treasury asset. At the same time, Kraken has held talks with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, over its plans to expand into tokenized markets. Furthermore, B-Strategy, a digital asset investment firm founded by former Bitmain executives, has announced the launch of a $1 billion BNB-focused treasury company. Several Asia-based family offices, including those connected to Binance founder Changpeng Zhao, have reportedly anchored the initial raise. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? The crypto market fell over the past day, as did the stock market on Monday. By the closing time, the S&P 500 was down by 0.43%, the Nasdaq 100 decreased by 0.31%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.77%. The momentum that followed the U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech on Friday has subsided since. Is this dip sustainable? For now, yes. It may still continue. Positive macroeconomic and regulatory news may affect the price positively. Meanwhile, the markets will have to ride out the latest pullback until they're ready for the next leg up. You may also like live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 26, 2025. The crypto market is showing bearish signals today as the entire crypto market cap is down over 4%. Bitcoin slipped below the $110,000 mark, triggering nearly $940 million in liquidations in the past 24 hours, out of which $800 million are long positions. Ethereum is also losing momentum after weeks of outperformance. Market fragility is being amplified by heavy ETF outflows, collapsing transaction fees, and thin liquidity, even as sovereign and institutional players quietly accumulate. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. City executive warns stablecoin interest payments could drain bank deposits like the 1980s crisis. Why is crypto down today? August 25, 2025 XRP price prediction. Whales by $758 million in 8 days. $10 XRP run now officially underway. Press releases. XRP MasterCard launches today. Gemini supports Sol mining XRP contracts to unlock daily opportunities. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 25, 2025. Bitcoin whale dumps 24K BTC. Triggers $4,000 flash crash. ETH briefly tops $4,900. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. Price analysis. Latest ChatGPT 5 predicts XRP, SOL and ETH prices for end of 2025. 4 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 4 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. August 19, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. August 18, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.